So maybe napanood mo na nakwento ko before na na-aksidente ako sa isang basketball game. Nagkaroon ako ng dislocated finger, so I had to rush myself sa emergency room. And dito sa video na to, ikukwento ko sa inyo yung claim story ko, no? Paano ko naka-claim and magkano lahat-lahat yung na-claim ko. So kung hindi mo napanood yung video na yun, I wanna show you this picture. Yan yung nangyari. So if you can see, na-dislocate yung finger ko, hindi ko maibalik. And then I had to rush myself sa ER. Right? And if you can see sa medical certificate, right, so yan yung diagnosis. And then there's even a remark that I have to do bed rest for 28 days. Or technically, basta make sure hindi ako maglaro ng basketball and alagaan, no, yung nakabalot na finger na yan kasi baka ma-aggravate. Alright, so syempre emergency room to, syempre may magastos din naman ito. And then, meron akong HMO. However, my HMO is not accredited dun sa nearest hospital na tinakbuhan ko para mabilis lang din magawa. No? So, that's fine. No? I filed for reimbursement, but again, I had to shell out money. So, kung makikita nyo rito sa SOA, sa statement of account ko, right, ang binayaran ko is 20,388.15. Right? So, yung 16,000 plus dyan, professional fee dun talaga sa doktor, no, na inoperahan or basically non-surgical operation doon sa daliri ko. Right, so of course, and then bumili ng gamot, no, painkillers lang naman, 235 pesos. Ayan, so tama, it took me a month para makapaglaro ulit ng basketball, and then para mag-heal, and even ngayon actually, hindi pa rin talaga totally nawawala yung sakit, no? So there's still yung effect nung pagkapilay. So how much did I totally spend? I spent 20,388.15 plus 235 sa medication. So total of 20,623.15. So mahal po talaga magkasakit ngayon. Mahal ma-aksidente. Lalo na kung wala kang HMO, wala kang health card, wala kang insurance. Nako, napakalaking gastos niyan, and it's not part of the plan. It's not part of the budget. Ganun talaga. Alright, buti na lang ako, meron akong life insurance. So since 2013, I was in the insurance industry. And then, nung pagpasok ko nga sa insurance, I don't have any insurance policy. And then, well, doon ko natutunan na maganda palang meron. No? So soon enough, I think on my 3rd or 4th month, kumuha ko ng life insurance policy ko. And I wanna show with you yung, dito sa app namin, sa My AIA app from AIA Philippines. Yung unang-una kong policy, ito yun. No? Talagang maganda siya. Yung Family Secure, ang coverage ko dyan, life insurance, 2.88 million. Pero aside from that, may mga different riders. No? So, and one of those is the accident insurance rider. And nakapaloob dun sa accident insurance rider, yung naka-highlight na yan, no, in the red circle, is the MR Class 1, or if that is medical reimbursement. Nakalagay dyan ang coverage is 100,000 pesos. No? So technically covered talaga yung accident sa akin. Right? I'll explain more about the medical reimbursement rider in a while. No? Dyan sa insurance ay meron din akong mga waiver premium and then critical illness. So that's one of my insurance policies. That's 2.8 million. As you can see. And because knowing that, now that I know na meron ako, ni-review ko talaga, no, yung policy kung enforce ba, nababayaran ko ba. Well, yes, buti na lang, no, in 10 years, kasi 2013 ko pa kinuha yun, in 10 years, tuloy-tuloy ako nagbabayad. So, true enough, no, covered ako ng life insurance, meron akong accident insurance that I can claim. So, I filed online, no, so ang pagpa-file po ng insurance, ng claim sa AIA Philippines is online na lang through our website. So number one, in-update ko muna yung payout details ko, no, kasi pwedeng yung bangko ko before, hindi na yun yung bangko ko ngayon. So I had to update my contact details and my payout details kung saan ibabayad. So I put in my BPI account there. And then I submitted. So sabi doon, turnaround time will be 7 to 10 days kung kumpleto yung mga requirements. And of course, alam ko yung mga requirements since I'm an advisor. So sinubmit ko kumpleto naman. You know, in just 2 days, no, I posted this in my Facebook story and my Instagram story na yun nga, no, na-reimbursed na yung 20,388.15. As you can see, that's a screenshot, right, of my bank account. Alright, so ang bilis, no? So nakakatuwa, no, nabawi ko na kaagad yung nagastos ko So halos wala akong nilabas na pera. So ano ba yung medical reimbursement rider, no? Yung medical reimbursement rider, it can be attached to your to some of the accident insurance riders. Hindi lahat ng accident insurance pwedeng lagyan itong rider na to. And in some of our old policies here in Film Life, now Philippines, mga ganon yung accident insurance riders namin. So, pag meron, nag-a-attach talaga ako, no? So, Family Secure, Family Provider, Health Invest, Future Protect, Guardian, yan yung mga products na pwede pang attachan ng gantong accident insurance rider. Nalalagay mo ng medical reimbursement. Ano bang ginagawa ng medical reimbursement? It reimburses expenses due to accident in case buhay. So let's say na aksidente, what are the types of accidents that may happen? Kasi nakagat ng aso, animal bite, na nabundol pero buhay, di ba? Let's say motor, na aksidente sa motor, nabalian, whatever. And in this case, basketball injury. Alright? So, yun, pwedeng ma-claim yun. No, depende sa coverage mo. No? In my coverage, 100,000 yung coverage. So, yun, up to 100,000 I can claim. In this case, 20,000. So, yun lang yung nabalik sa akin. Hindi yung buong 100,000. No? Kung ano lang yung pwedeng ma-reimburse. Of course, dapat meron kang proof ng SOA. No? Whether nagbayad ka using health card, right? So, kunyari, sinagot na yun ng health card, still, kahit zero bill ka kasi mayroon kang PhilHealth, sinagot ng health card, dahil meron kang statement of account, yun yung isasubmit mo, and that's one of the requirements. Of course, part of the requirements is what we call the certificate of attending physician. We have a form there. Usually most insurance companies have their own form. So sasubmit mo yun, and then yun na naka-claim na just after 2 to 3 days. Alright? So aside from that, I mentioned that I have my own health card or HMO. No? Yun, provided yun sa amin ng company. Pero hindi accredited yung pinuntahan ko na hospital. Tapos sa hospital, ayoko nang lumayo. Gusto ko nang maayos yung injury ko, yung dislocated finger ko. So I went there and tinawagan ko, hindi nga daw accredited tong hospital. Sabi ko, it's fine, no? Pwede naman itong i-reimburse kasi I know my coverages. Alam ko pag hindi accredited, pwedeng i-reimburse. Alright, so pinrocess ko yung reimbursement. Tinry kong i-reimburse pati yung mercury drug na resibo na 235, hindi yun na-approve. I think hindi siya kasama sa coverages. So but the whole 20,388.15 na-reimburse siya. Alright, so napunta siya sa card ko and then withdraw ko na lang. Right, so ganun yung process nung health card namin dito. Aside from that, so I had two insurances na, yung AIA and then yung HMO namin. I have another insurance, no? So surprisingly, I have an MB Life, na Manila Bankers Life Insurance. Kasi my tito, my uncle used to work there. So yung mga nasa mall, di ba? So in support, kahit nasa insurance industry na ako, I went to their mall, nagpa-present ako. I didn't really like the product that much. Kasi alam ko nga, may like the VUL and all, or some other stuff. But you know, I supported, I still got the policy, 5 years to pay, tapos ko na siyang bayaran. And then when I reviewed my coverage, meron siyang 10,000 emergency room coverage, no? Especially whatever the cause is, in this case accident siya. So I filed it, and then ayun na nga, naka-claim ako ng 10,000 pesos, no? So that's another claim, no? This is actually not the first claim I got from my MB Life policy. Nung na-confine ako ng 2017, 4 days yun, I got a daily hospital income benefit as well. So if you know your life insurance and its coverages, ma-maximize mo to. Hindi lang to about yung income niya for VUL and all. Right? So how much I reimbursed? I got 20,388.15 from AIA, another 20,388.15 from my HMO, and then plus 10,000 from my MB Life. All in all, 50,776.30. Right? So I have an excess. Kumita pa ako ng 30,153.15. Magandang negosyo, no? Joke lang, of course, at the expense of your body, no? So nasaktan syempre ako, or kung sino man ma-aksidente, masasaktan. But you know, yeah, if you have multiple policies, pwedeng mas malaki pa yung makuha mo versus sa nagastos mo. It will also apply to the critical illness policies. If you have multiple critical illness policies, let's say 5 tig to 2 million, di 10 million, if gumastos ka man ng 3 million, 4 million, you still get the whole 10 million, right? That's the payout. With the thing with the medical reimbursement rider is it's per accident. So multiple times kang ma-aksidente, covered ka up to a maximum amount of the coverage. So in my case, 100,000 yung coverage ko. If I have multiple ones, which I actually added one more policy the other month, nagdagdag ako ng 50,000, so may 150 na ako. Makakaklaim ako ng dalawang 20k if I have 2 policies. So that's the strategy actually. So dapat alam mo rin, no? So if you have questions about accident insurance or about life insurance, just leave me a message in the comment section, or you can also directly message me in my Facebook page, that's DJ Dimaliuat, or facebook.com/DJ Dimaliuat official. So I hope that this video inspired you to get life insurance, to add an accident insurance, or have more insurances, no? Kasi ako, I have more than 10 insurance for myself and then my family pa. So, wag kang tumigil sa isa. Siguro yun lang yung masasuggest ko sa'yo. Add more to have more coverage, right? And you will thank yourself in the future. So with that, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.